Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share a simple healthy one pot chicken stew. It is perfect for a busy days and it is light, comforting, packed with vegetables and ready with very little effort. Before start the cooking, first slice one potato, carrot, one onion, a small piece of ginger, green chilli. You can adjust your taste and take one chicken breast, a few curry leaves and keep them ready. Here I have taken chicken breast. If you can use the whole chicken with bones. And then now add everything into the pressure cooker. The chicken, vegetables and the chilies, ginger, everything. Now let's add some whole spices like 2-3 cardamom pods, a bay leaf, a small cinnamon stick, a teaspoon of fennel seeds. You can also season this with some turmeric, salt and pepper according to your taste. And now pour enough water. Here I have added a quarter glass of water because the chicken will release some water. After adding everything, you can close the lid. And now pressure cook it for 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released, you can open the lid and now your delicious chicken stew is almost ready. So here, for a rich and creamy finish, I am going to add a 1 cup of coconut milk. This step is completely optional, but when you add the coconut milk, it will give a wonderful flavor and a texture. Let it come to a gentle boil. Then at last we can finish it with a drizzle of fresh coconut oil. It will give a good aroma. And that's it. Your comforting one pot chicken stew is ready to enjoy. You can also crush the vegetables if you want that thickness. And the stew is rich in lean protein from the chicken, a lot of with vitamins and fiber from the fresh vegetables. As we added ginger and whole spices which will help in the digestion. If you want coconut milk, you can also get the healthy fats that make the dish even more satisfying. You can serve on its own or enjoy with fresh bread, chapatis or soft rotis. If you are enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and healthy home cooked recipes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!